Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust coilover ride height. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and using sturdy jack stands and wheel chocks. This ensures stability and prevents accidents. You'll also want to gather your essential tools, including a coilover wrench, a reliable jack, and a measuring tape to make the process smooth and efficient. Safety first, always. Once your vehicle is safely supported, lift it and remove the wheels to gain clear access to your coilovers. Now, grab your coilover wrench and carefully loosen both the locking collar and the adjustment collar. These collars allow you to move the spring perch. Before making any changes, take a precise measurement of your current ride height, perhaps from the center of the wheel to the fender arch, to establish a baseline. With the collars loosened, you can now adjust your ride height. To lower the vehicle, turn the adjustment collar clockwise, moving the spring perch downwards. To raise it, turn counterclockwise. Remember to make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 inch at a time, and ensure you adjust each coilover equally. This helps maintain balance and prevents uneven handling characteristics. After achieving your desired ride height, firmly tighten the adjustment collar against the locking collar to secure your settings. Reinstall your wheels and carefully lower the vehicle back onto the ground. Before your final measurement, gently bounce the vehicle a few times on each corner. This helps the suspension settle properly. Then, remeasure your ride height to confirm your adjustments are accurate and even across all 4 corners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.